We are on team. Right? Team final. Team. We're all going to work together. Be one team. We're going to go out there. We're going to whoop some butt. Whoopsie daisy. Moving the team. I still haven't made the director yet. I'll get there one day. There we go. First try. First try. All right. Let's go. Let's do this. Clear that out. Start off with we'll start off with the rust can. Screw it. Because we are on a team. And I feel like we need to move fast toward our objective. 22, 21, 80. Let's go and check out that port 21. Alright. Just as B7H3 said, it's off fast. Listen faster. Alright. I map TAC P80, TAC SC, TAC SV. When I was younger, my mom used to yell at me all the time. Talk too fast, so I've actually slowed down. 3.3303. I wonder if we can still FTP into it. Because I have seen it before where we can still FTP into it with anonymous and then map like doesn't pick it up. Nope, we cannot. Good, that's what I see like right there. Alright, so it looks like we're on 2.4.29. Let's go ahead and map that. Or let's go ahead and search plate that. I don't think 3.03 is vulnerable to anything. Okay, that's just the latest kernel. We can go ahead and search plate that 3.03 though. See if we got anything for FTP in here. Was that VSF TPD or what was that? Yeah. Whoops, so we can just do that. Other one. Alright, search exploit. That 3.03. Oh, we got a remote denial of service. We could just make it where we can't log in. That would be exciting. Okay, let's go check out that port 80. Wasn't very useful, was that? I feel like I could just type that in. Being lazy. Laziness. Alright. Okay, we got a default Apache page here. It works. If you see this, add THM team. Okay, thank you. Will do. That was pure fucking luck. Excuse me. So we have 179.227. So I'm wondering now, let's go ahead and fuck that. Let's do big.txt at first. We'll try that. I wonder if there's anything in front of it now. Let's go ahead and check this out over here. Let's try team.thm. Yes, please. See if we get a different page. And we do. Let's go. Person doesn't seem like they're really on a team, do they? That is a cold place, okay. That's a misty mountain. When I was in Norway, we climbed mountains, stuff like that. Norway's first off beautiful, but I really do think it's Canada. Or not Canada, excuse me, it's Colorado. Colorado, the mountains are a little bit bigger, I guess. A little bit prettier, you know, but it's Colorado. That's all it is. But, not as many people, obviously. I was up in the Arctic Circle. But, yeah, we just went off on a story tangent. But, yeah, we were climbing a mountain one time. And, it was fun, you know. It was just like a weekend thing, you know. We were just having fun. You know, we walked through the clouds. That was freaking cool. And cold. Like, cool and cool. Like, literally and figuratively. But, yeah, that was pretty awesome. Like, I was in clouds. I was like, yes. I felt like an airplane. You know? I was like, I wanted to make like, pew. But I thought like, you know, like, Sergeant Major would look at me like I'm an idiot. Which he already thinks I thought I was an idiot. But, you know. But yeah, that was a pretty cool time. Climbing up those mountains, stuff like that. Going through clouds and everything. It's like those times where you're like, man, I wish my like wife and kids were here, you know? But we're gone like a deployment, so you can't just bring your wife and kids with you. It's not like a thing. Alright. If it was, that'd be awesome. for like, like a week until they're like, yo, I'm done living in this tent. All right, so we got a couple JavaScripts here. I'm not really seeing too much else here. Let's look at that FUF, see if we got anything in there. Yeah, he's moving a little bit slow, that FUF there. Let's go ahead and check out. I kind of want to like go bust this guy, but I don't want to break him at the same time. Let's go ahead and we'll try it. We'll go for it. Fearox Buster. For team.thm, yep. Looks good to me. Okay, so we'll go ahead and we'll Fearox Buster that guy. We'll see if we get anything out of there. And I'll try not to die in the next 5 minutes or so. Let's, we got images, we got scripts. Scripts are always good, right? Let's go ahead and check out, see if we got scripts. See if we got robots.txt. I haven't done that one in a while, just like manually enumerated. Robots.txt. I've also been working on more realistic boxes, I guess. I don't know. I've also been working on a lot of Windows boxes lately, I think about it, so. Web server is just there to be like an IIS. Yep, that's an IIS. See if anyone's rooted my box yet. Don't laugh at me for all the things that they denied. I tried to put up a Raspberry Pi in there one time, and I was like, yeah, we can't have a Raspberry Pi in here. I was like, oh, Dale. Scripts is forbidden. We got Dale. We got SHL, we got FTP on here, right? Dale. User share, wordless, rocky.txt. We'll try FTP. For this IP, for the IP address, 10.10.179.227. Let's go, Dale. Let's get this. All right, so we got Dale in here. Good to get the scripts. Let's go ahead and check out the images. Scripts is forbidden. He said no. Okay, sorry. Looks like a lot of things are no. They really don't want us in anywhere in here. That's okay. Anyone rooted my box yet? Avatar, folds and thumbs. Oh no, it's that one. Damn, enough of you guys come in here yet? Oh, 7H30 came in. We should ban him. Reset his progress. No, I was kidding. See if anyone's got it yet. Is there a general? Stats. Nobody's got it yet. It's not that hard. I was going to make it easy. You know, like say like, oh yeah, it's an easy one because I thought it was easy because I built it. You know, like, I was going to do that because that's what seems to be a thing. Let's go ahead and go to folds. Then we'll go with thumbs. I don't think this thing has steganography. I didn't see anything about steganography. But since we are a team, if anyone thinks steganography, let me know. The fuzz is going pretty good now, the fuff. Let's go and bear with the Fearox Buster going. That's weird. But okay. Look at this guy a minute. Don't have anywhere else to look. Everything else is kind of not letting us into it. This guy's taking his sweet time. So we'll give this guy a minute. Should have done sec list, huh? I was thinking about sec list. Like, literally, sec list has stuff exactly for this, don't they? Like, sec list, discovery, is it? Web content? Do you have like a vhost one or anything like that? Because that'd be cool. I got that big.text one. That usually works pretty good. This one, or this dir search one, that one usually works pretty good. Oh, that was definitely on the wrong people, though. Fuzz, slash thm.thm.team. Or team.thm. I don't know why I just did that. Team.thm. I'd say a slash here, right? I didn't do something stupid like that right now. Okay. This is pretty amazing. Like, we're doing this. It's 20,469. We're only at 8 minutes so far, but, like, you get mad because it doesn't go fast enough, you know? But it is pretty amazing. Like, how quick everything works nowadays. You also do a Go Buster V-host. Ooh, going real hardcore with this thing. Well, this guy's gonna find anything. That big dot text up there? Don't know if he's gonna find anything. What I do know is this thing is we're taking a minute here. Alright, everything inside of here, it's not. We'll let it run. We'll let it go. It's not too much longer for it to go. Every single time I see, if we have to use Etsy host, I always feel like there's a V host on it. If we have to use it. You can also do this in Zap too. So you can take a Zap, right? So you guys know, I mean, you obviously can't do this during OSCP, use Zap, but you can actually take Zap. So I've done this one before for a test. And I've used Zap, and so we can do. Team.thm, right? We'll attack that. Okay. It'll attack it. Boom. What's happened? It's probably going to take a minute to access because we're freaking throwing everything at it. There's just a bunch more JPEGs in there. Probably folds. There's probably a bunch more JPEGs in there. This guy's probably going to take a minute to actually do anything because we're throwing everything we can at, like right now. Throwing a lot of stuff at it. We can also go back to just the team.thm website and see if there's anything else in there. That's it, huh? Nope, nothing else in there, okay. Zap is taking his sweet time, huh? Oh, it failed to get to it, that's why. Probably because he's getting beat up by everything else in the world, like right now. I'm gonna go with this guy. He's pretty much not gonna find anything else. That's what we got. What we got is what we got, like right there. There we go. So we go to sites. And I forgot how I did this. Maybe it's in the get that I attacked it like that. Fuzz. Right here. Add. File. Select. User. Share. Wordless. WFuzz. That's big.text, that's it, huh? Not really much in there, is there? When it goes down to M's? It's kind of strange. I want fuzz like right here. I really want to fuzz that guy. I kind of want fuzz like right here. I want fuzz. Let's remove that. Yeah, right there. You got it. Where did that work? I don't know if that'll work right there. Usually I have something else to fuzz and look at. We're getting a whole bunch of 200s, but every single one's the same exact size. Usually W fuzz finds something for me. Or fuzz here, fuff, usually finds something for me. Vhost. Alright, did I go to fuzzing? No. Discovery. Common.text. Try that like right there. See, this one's actually finding some stuff like right here. I mean, we got status, 400, but we're at least bringing something back. I mean, it's not good. Is there a way to, like, not show me 400 some of that? There's a way to, like, not show me 400s in Go Buster. No error, maybe? That didn't help out at all. I don't want to see the 400s. I don't care. I just want to see 200s. Because we could always grep for it, huh? We could always copy and paste and grep for it, huh? If we have a status 200. See if that works at all. Because these guys don't really seem to be giving me much down here. I don't really know where else to go. Get out of here. No, it's not. So it has to be accepted first to be public. So right now, it's just, you can go to it. You can do it. I put the link for it a couple times now. I'll grab it again. But yeah, you can do it. It's going to move slow because it's not on their server. Like, it's not public yet. They have to accept it. They probably won't. It'll most likely be denied, like the rest of them. But that's okay. But yeah, I mean, you can try it. You can still get to it. You still do as long as you have the invite code for it. That link, like right there. We got 200. Dev.team.thm. So why didn't these guys find it? Why don't you find it? You got like right there. Well, we got 200. We got dev.team.thm. I guess that's what different tools are for, right? Oh, gotta add that to my Etsy host. Let's go ahead and go to dev.team.thm. And we'll go ahead and we'll look at that. Anytime. It's going to be slow. It's doable, but it's going to be slow, just so you know. Placeholder link to TeamShare. TeamShare page equals TeamShare.php. Okay, let's go. So we got a guy named Dale. And there's Dale, like right there. So can we go to Dale? Home. Dale. .ssh. IDRSA. I was really hoping we could do that. Home Dale. Fly.txt. Alright, so it looks like we have this like right here, right? Do we have an upload page? I wonder. Can we like create like a reverse shell and get like an upload page or something like that? What can we do with this? So we got local file inclusion. So now I'm wondering if we can somehow upload something into the server to be able to call back to us. Alright, I got an idea. Let's go ahead and grab that. Let's go over to Zap. We're just going to go over to Zap to make it faster. You can do this also with Burp Suite. Let's go ahead and throw this in here. Attack that. Probably sees, yep, path traversal. This is why you're not allowed to use it like right there, because well, it tells you exactly what to do. Alright, let's fuzz this guy. We want to fuzz this like right here. Add, file, select, and we're going to go for home, user, share, word list, sec list, word list, sec list, fuzzing, LFI, and path test huge, I guess. What's this got in it? Etsy shadow, Etsy group, status. I remember seeing one where it was in like, it was like SSHD or something like that. It was like a while ago we found one like that. And I've always said, well, now I have to test that every single time. So that's what I'm kind of looking for in here, like an Etsy. I think Etsy like SSHD or something like that. Because I remember I did it. Then I remember Black Shoe Spicy went to that one and he couldn't find it either. It took me forever to find. And I was like, yo, dude, there's something in here. Remember I had to look up like SSH on my own machine, find something, then go and do it there. I forget what it was called. I could have swore it was like Etsy SSH or some crap like that. It was something stupid like that. And I remember finding something like that before. So I'm trying to make sure that this guy doesn't have that also. Alright, let's go ahead and go back to my home machine because PHP input? Wow, what's that? I think it's what SSHD. I think it's something like that. SSHD. And then you can get the key from there also. Is it SSH config or SSHD config? I think it's this. I think we gotta go there. Because I've seen this. I've seen something like this before. on a box once. Well, let's fucking go! Alright, we got Dale's IDRC. Awesome. Okay, let's go ahead and go to Sublime Text. We'll call this IDRC. And we'll just do a quick. Whoops. All the way up. I'm all the way up. Okay, let's go ahead and save that. And anything's left with file 10Z. And we'll do an SSH change mode 600 IDRC SSH tech I IDRC. And that's for Dale at the IP address. Still didn't crack that password up there. Guess we're not going for that. I'm doing pretty good. You know, it's a beautiful day. Error in lib crypto. Hate to see it, huh? What does that mean? Error in lib crypto? What the hell that even means? Like, whenever we got that file, is it fucked up or something? It's not encrypted. Or else it would say that it was up top. So it's not encrypted. Did I? I made a typo on it? I made a boo-boo? I did. Those are facts. I still don't think this is going to be it, though. Yeah. I mean, that doesn't have anything to do with... an SSH key. I think it's just... how it's written. 'Cause I've seen that before. Like where never seen that one. Private RSA key that's too short. Did we delete too much? Or did we not get the whole thing, I wonder? Are we just supposed to, like, guess what the rest of it is? I mean, we had to get the whole thing. That was definitely the whole thing. We had to get the whole thing. That's too short. That's because it needs that line at the end. I deleted that line. That's why I think. It needs that line, like, right there. If I go page down, it should have one more line below it. I think that's what happened. Is that what happened? Let's go! That's why. Okay. Yeah, that's because I needed that extra line, that spacing there. That's why, because spacing was wrong. Alright. Let's go ahead and do a sudo tech L. Oh, he can. Okay, cool. With no password, he can run Giles' admin checks. Let's go ahead and cd into home Giles. So we can read that. Are we under editors? We are an editor. Editors. So we have a bin bash for some stuff here. Reading stats, reset estimated person backing up the data, name, echo. Echo name. We can mess with that. That name like right there, or that error, we can mess with. We can 100% mess with that stuff like right there. Fucking dark in this place, man. Okay, let's see if we can actually write to that thing. What's it called? Admin checks. Admin checks is unwritable. Can we remove it? Can we overwrite it? No. Well, let's try to run it with her. Because if it's going to echo it back to us. Oh, because I have to run it as Giles, huh? Let's put bin bash everywhere. Alright, we're Giles. There we go. So, because it echoed it back to us, it echoed bin bash back to us, we ran it as Giles under sudo. That's why, because when I very first looked at it, I was like, wait a minute. You see how it's echoing back to us, the name? So whatever we type in, it's going to echo back to us. That's what's happening like right there. So, that's why that worked. So now we have user bin Python 3. Let's go ahead and scripts full shell. So yeah, anything that echoes back to you without like sanitizing the input, that's not good. That's pretty much what just happened. Okay. I wonder if we need to make a full shell. If I control C, what happens? Okay, cool. We're good. Alright, so now we are now Giles. Sudo tech out. Damn. Let's see, can we just keep sudoing? Always cat bash history. Oh, okay, we got some stuff in here. She did some stuff before. Stuff. She wants a user local bin main backup.sh and she made a dev backup.sh. She's also done something to opt admin. Damn, there's a lot of shit going on here, huh? She did a lot of crap. Seen the var backups first. That was one thing I saw. See in www. This is in backups. Hey, thanks a lot for the follow live step. Okay. CD and team share. Oh, okay, that'll work too. Hey, thanks a lot for the follow Talak. Is there any good tutorials on courses on hacking with Callie? I say to start getting into it. Hey, thanks a lot, AA11AA1AA. I say just get into it. I found a book at the library the other day that was pretty good. Mastering Callie Linux for advanced penetration testing. This one was pretty good the other day. Found it at the library. Read a little bit of it. It actually goes into some deep stuff too. So it's pretty cool. But I would say just download it and just start messing with stuff. Let's see in that scripts. Remember we couldn't actually look at that before? Cat script old. Oh, FTP. FTP user. So we have the FTP now. Let's try to get an FTP, see if we got anything in there. As we can see, we got an FTP user. Go ahead and echo FTP user. And then this thing right here. Into user pass.text. CD or cat or let's go into FTP into I already forgot what. 10.10.179.227. And we'll be FTP user. See if we get anything in here. I don't know if this is the correct way. I don't know if this is just a freaking rabbit hole or what, you know, because we found all those things in the, we found that main and everything like that. Remember in her, we see back in her home directory. I feel like this is a rabbit hole, in all honesty. I don't know why I just did that. Home Giles, cat bash history. Remember we found all this stuff in here? And we got this main backup.sh. That was the last thing that she did. Let's go ahead and grab that, and let's go ahead and CD into user local bin, I believe it was, right? We had there? Yeah, let's go ahead and cat ls-tech-la main backup.sh. So it's being ran as root. Are we admin? In the admin group? We are. Okay, we're in the correct groups at the right time. Let's go ahead and cat that main backup.sh. And it looks like she's going to copy recursively everything in team THN to var backup theory team. So couldn't we just do if root's running it, then couldn't, I mean, we can do a couple things here, right? Yeah, I saw that up there, but now that I found this, who cares? Fuck FTP now. All right. Well, we could call bash. We could do that. We could also just drop probably the root.txt file. We could also probably call for a reverse shell. It really depends on what we want to do. We could probably echo. We could say cat root.txt. Right? We can try this. Hey, thanks a lot, Slayer X1. And we'll append that to main.backup.sh. And we'll do an echo bin bash. Hey, it worked. I feel like this is really nothing. But this was real life. We would get all this stuff, right? So might as well do that. I've started creating a new website PHP for the team to use. Okay, as per the team policy, please make copy of ID RSA and place it in the relevant config file. Giles. So I feel like this is stuff that we should have known before. I feel like we were supposed to get into FTP beforehand, but whatever. Okay, so we could do a bin bash, right? Might be able to do that. And echo that into main.backup.sh. We could also try to echo, let's say, this is most likely, I feel like this is probably being ran in a cron job. Obviously, it's copying whatever to somewhere else, right? So let's go ahead and cat scripts, netcat reverse shell. And we could always echo that. We'll just echo it for now. Press up. Oh, God. Okay. 10.13.26.184 into there. And we'll see which one works. Let's go ahead and CD. I mean, we got everything in there. Let's go ahead and CD into here, like, or yeah, let's CD into here, like, real quick. Oh, we got a callback. So looks like been bashing them all. We did get callbacks. Go ahead. I want to CD into there like real quick though. See if root.text is in there. I don't know if it's actually if it actually copied it. Oh, I said cat. I didn't say copy. Let's do a copy in there. My fault. Well, I kind of see that's going to work too. Well, I mean, we can do that. We can do like 1,000 different things here. We can do anything we want. It's being ran as root on a cron job. We can do anything. Actually, we don't even need to become root. We can just do that like right there and go into var backups WW team and see if like when it gets dropped to there. We can just CD in a root from up here. It's like a million different things we can do. Still don't have the user.text though. Dale, maybe? There we go. Alright, cool. So we are done with that guy. Yeah, there's a lot of stuff that we could have done with that root one. When it's being ran by root. We could have changed mode SSS. Or we could have changed mode plus S defined. Or whatever other GTF opens ones. The size of the shells are small? What do you mean? Like, you can't see them? Kind of want to see if it actually dropped in there or not. If it actually copied it. It feels allowed to. Nope, never copied it. Okay. Let's see if we can do like a change mode to like S or something like that. It says your shells are small. Okay. I forgot what that file was at. I forgot what that file was at. Where was that file at? User local bin. Should also be able to do something like this, where we can not create a verse shell, but we can echo change mode plus S to find or something like that. To user bin find. Then we can do that to main backup. Then CD back into user bin. LSTech LA find. And then we just wait till it turns red. We just let it go for like a minute. Yes. You talking about Terminator? Could CH mode plus S for bash. Let's see, let's do this. We'll wait till we get a call back up here. And then we'll see what happens down here. Well, do you have the full screen? They're split terminals. Like if I want to, I mean, we can make it a full screen. Huh, they didn't do change mode for fine. But we could, I mean, we could do a full screen. It's not. It's a split terminal, dude. See, now if I do nano, now it's going to be a full screen. Yeah, it's just, so if I go like this, that's going, my SSTY is going to be whatever's inside that at that time. So, it's just this terminal at that time. So if I were to go like that, I would mess it up. The rows and columns. Like, I think you're talking about or I think you're talking about the other one. I forget what that was called. It did change fine when I see ID bit. For some reason, it's not showing up green up here. Usually it shows up green. Or red, I mean. Oh, there it goes. Now it's red. So we could have done that also since we did that change mode right. Then we can go to GTFO bins, find, and we can run that to be able to come root also. Another way to be able to do it. So there's like a million different ways to come root like right now because we have that file that's being ran by root every minute or whatever. We go GTFO bins, find, or excuse me, SUID. So we can just run that like right there. This is another way to be able to do it. And you're in the root group now. So just another idea. So there we go. That will be it for today. Alright, cool. So,